teaching you how to take figures like these and convert them into equations and then into graphs. So first, we start with the figures, and you start with 0, and it has 4 tiles. And so, that is going to be your y-intercept in your equation, because that figure 0 is when x equals 0. And so if x equals 0 and y equals 4, then that means that your y-intercept must be 4. And b is your y-intercept. And then we look at figure 1 and figure 2. And 3 tiles get added each time. 1, 2, 3. Because these are your original 4. And then here you have the original 4. And then you have the 1, 2, and 3 from figure 1. And then you have 4, 5, 5, and 6. And so 3 get added every time. So that will be your slope. 3 will be your slope, and m is your slope. 3 will be your slope because every time x goes up 1, x is your figure number. Every time x goes up 1, 3 is added. 3 tiles are added. And so then you have 3 for your slope, and 3 is m. And so then you have y equals 3x plus 4. And so then you're going to convert this into a graph. Not the prettiest of graphs, but okay. Sure, why not? Right. I'll count by 2s. Alright, so on this graph we will be counting by 2s for each line, so I'm going to write that in. And for these lines the numbers are going to be negative because they're going backwards. And so now we graph our equation. First we start with the y-intercept. That is going to be on the y-axis. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So your y-intercept is going to go on your y-axis, and since we have 4 for our y-intercept, we're going to go up to the 4 line, and we're going to draw a point right there. And then we are going to calculate out our slope. And our slope is 3, which is equivalent to 3 over 1. And when you do your slope, you're going to go rise over run. So for here, we go rise over 1. We go 1, 2, 3, and then we go over 1. And then notice how these lines are counting by 2s. So it would still work if you did 3 over 1, but the number would just be doubled. So instead of being 3 over 1, it would just be 6 over 2, which is the same number. And you can also calculate the slope out backwards. So to do that, you go to this side 1, you go to the negative side 1, and then you go down 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you draw your line. And that is how you do it.
Voila!